starting my vlog up in the attic today. Yeah, it's pretty early in the morning. Check what time it is. So, 11:06 a.m. Okay, it's already 11 a.m., so it's not really early, but early for me to start my vlog. I keep hearing stuff, that's what I'm talking about. I don't understand what the heck that is. See you guys later. It's rolling! I don't know. Show me some cool stuff you can do. I don't know what that's for. Show me something epic you can do. Wanna explore over there?
Blue. The mountain.
No. There's train tracks in the woods. They're abandoned. Wanna see? Kinda creepy, but we can have a look. We're gonna film in case we see any wild creatures that wanna come kill us. It's a big mountain. Big hill.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get a little face film. Yes. Okay. Dude, oh! There's a farm over there. I see horses. See them? Yeah, it's a farm.
Yeah.
I see horses.
Wait, the water.
A little bit. Do you see the horses through there? Right here. There's a horse in a little pony.
Yeah.
You see them?
Yeah.
They're cute. Isn't it scary how a train used to come through there?
Yeah.
And now it's abandoned?
You tell Mom.
Yeah, we can go back.
Yeah.
Woohoo! So guys, I'm back from the place now, and it's not snowing anymore. That snow didn't pile up either. It was just a little bit of snow that was coming. Didn't accumulate to anything at all. Yeah, so that's all I'm saying. It was weird snow squalls we were getting, and they didn't pack up. You know, accumulate. You might not be familiar with that word. It just means pile up on the ground for snow. Anyways, yeah, that's done and over with. We were at Park and Dyton earlier, playground area, walking around, and we saw the video of that. That's what we were doing earlier. Now it's 9:10 p.m. and I'm going to be ending the vlog pretty soon. So I'm just letting you all know that. And I'm resting now, so see you later. I just wanted to let you know that I'm ending the vlog. Woohoo! And leave a like and subscribe for more. Sorry, I was in the blankets. Leave a like and subscribe for more. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Links in the description down below. Instagram is currently private, but if you have a request to follow it, you can message me anytime you want, and I'll talk to you about whatever the heck you want. Anyways, yeah, as I said before, leave a like and subscribe for more. I'll see you tomorrow in the next vlog. If you enjoyed it, goodbye.